Weights on your left foot, step behind, right, step left to the side, cross samba, right, side, recover. Cross your left foot over, quarter turn back on the right, half turn and then shuffle forward, left, together, left. Right foot stepping back, right, half turn with your left, rock forward with your right foot, recover your weight back onto your left. Non-turners, we do a half turn and walk, right, left, right, left. If you are turning, you change those walks to a 1.5 roll. So as you rock, recover, we turn back, right, left, right, and stepping left out for the last step. Use our right foot, we're going to step back and drag. 1, drag on count 2. Bring your left foot in for a change of weight. Walk forward, right, left, rock forward on your right, recover your weight back onto your left, and a half turn, right, rock forward, left. We then recover your weight back onto the right. Quarter turn left, stepping forward. Now again, we have 2 options. Non-turners, walk, walk. If you are turning, once you come out of your rock with a quarter turn, back on the left, we roll a half, right, left, at a quarter turn, as we step to the right, hold, you can bring your left foot in slowly if you wish, ball cross, right, step to the left. And that's the end of the dance. Let's do it with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping behind. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning or walking. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's do it one more time without stopping. We'll do a combination of words and counts. 7, 8. Behind, side, samba, step. Cross and turn, shuffle left, back on 1. 1, 2, 3, rock and roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and walk, walk, rock, recover, half turn, rock, quarter turn, roll or walk, right, left, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. There is one restart that happens on wall 5. We dance to count 16, and a nice clean restart facing our 3 o'clock direction. Front wall, this is wall number 5. 16 counts, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go behind to start again. So we've got that little back step one more time. To finish, we get to our 3 o'clock direction, rock half turn, rock quarter turn. We replace the last roll with a quarter turn with a pivot instead. Rock, recover, half turn, rock, recover, quarter turn. Using your right foot, we pivot half, pivot, turn,